Let's be honest, no topic has created more questions this year than commissions. Everywhere I go, agents ask the same thing: what will happen to our commissions in 2026? And how should we prepare for it? If you want to stay ahead of it instead of reacting to it, this update is for you. For years, commissions followed the same structure. Buyers and sellers expected it. Agents understood it. However, due to lawsuits, settlements, and new regulations surrounding transparency and representation, the market is shifting. I've spoken with brokers, attorneys, and top industry leaders, and they all agree. Commissions aren't going away, but how we earn and communicate them is changing. Agents who adapt will be fine, but agents who ignore these shifts will feel the impact the most. Let's break it down: what you need to know and how to prepare for the 2026 market. Key point number 1. Commission conversations will happen earlier. Buyers will be asked to sign agreements before touring homes. That means commission discussions won't happen at the end of the process anymore. They will happen on day 1. Agents need a simple, clear way to explain how they get paid, how representation works, and why their service is worth it. Key point number 2. Compensation will become more transparent. Sellers will see more itemized breakdowns. Buyers will compare agent services side by side. Transparency will increase trust, but only if agents know how to present their value clearly and confidently. Key point 3. Negotiation skills will matter more than ever. Flat fees, hourly models, tiered service packages, and traditional commission structures will all exist together. There's no one-size-fits-all model anymore. Agents who understand market standards, communicate expectations, and negotiate confidently will win more in business. Consumers will pay for skill, they will pay for expertise, they will pay for guidance that protects them and saves the money on their time. Your marketing systems and communication must show your value, not assume clients already understand it. Commissions are not disappearing, they're evolving. If you want help improving your buyer presentation, listing consultation, or value script, reach out to me. Call, text, DM me, or email me. I'll share the exact framework I use to stay ahead of these changes.